Jess, thank you so much.
It's good news.
Yeah, certainly
You know,
kind of an issue.
they won't be just, it's not going to be a portalet.
Right.
They're going to be,
Nice one.
nice looking bathrooms,
Right,
right?
should be nice. I look forward to that. We are looking forward to the weekend, too. It's fast approaching, and we're going to see kind of a different weekend. A Saturday, a little better. Sunday, not as much. Lakewood Ranch showed earlier. Now we're looking at Anna Maria, Bimini Bay, showing not much rain there. A few showers move through parts of the Suncoast. Some areas getting some pretty heavy downpours. The atmosphere is really juiced up right now. We're going to see these scattered storms again rolling in from the Gulf of Mexico right on shore. They'll move through pretty quickly. They're moving at 10 to 15 miles an hour, and they're not very large storms in terms of their duration. So we'll see that on Friday, a little drier on Saturday, but then Sunday it becomes a little bit more disruptive as a result of a little piece of energy working its way along a frontal boundary. An old frontal boundary will bring us more storms, I think, on Sunday. Some of those could be strong, too, so we'll see how it plays out. But Titan radar right now is pretty quiet. There's one or two lone showers around. We showed you that earlier near Lakewood Ranch, and now just missing, it looks like, town center, but pretty close to it. Along I-75, heavy rainfall there, now heading off toward looks like, again, off toward the northeast there at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. You can see it kind of moved on through the bay and then off into the northeast. And so we're expecting this to continue to move in that direction. Now, there's a chance we could see some lightning. We haven't had any lightning strikes with this cell in particular, but now that it's gone up to that 30,000-foot level, there is a definite possibility of getting a couple of strokes with that. And down to the south, we had some showers near Northport earlier, and now one just southwest of Arcadia. Rainfall was scattered. Some areas didn't get it, while others did. About a half inch there near Lakewood Ranch, and we had the drier air actually pushed down to the south of us now. It's pushed down to the south due to this frontal boundary and trough of low pressure over the southeast. There's a little low pressure area that's going to develop there and could become a significant low as it makes its way up the Mid-Atlantic coast states and eventually into the northeast. You'll see it spinning there. This is Friday at 6 o'clock in the morning. The low starts to track off, and behind it, it leaves a little trough of low pressure. With that trough left behind, it will still increase our showers on Friday. Saturday, not as many. There'll still be a few around. This model is depicting a few. The rain chances does lower a little bit. By Sunday, I think, though, better chances for more widespread rain, showers, and storms. Now, that's what it looks like now. Things can happen and change pretty quickly with this low, depending upon how strong it gets and how much of energy it leaves behind for us. So we'll see that play out over the weekend. Right now, it still looks like Saturday will be the best day, while Sunday will have a better chance for showers and storms, although that model did not predict that. We have had some clouds around occasionally, but it's still hot. This number's actually gone up over the last 2 hours. It feels like 99 out there with a temperature of 87 degrees. Today's high was 90, right at the average, not the feels like, but 76 was the morning low. And boy, we had a lot of rain at the airport, over an inch and a half, picked up quickly there with some passing showers. Now we're plus on the monthly total at 87 hundredths of an inch above average. 107 in Dallas. Even at this hour, they got up to 108 today, setting an all-time record high, and it's going to stay hot, too, over the southwest and southern plain states. 107 in Dallas, 108 in Phoenix, and 92 in Kansas City. Big storms firing up, too, in Iowa tonight, associated with a low-pressure area there. For boaters, a little bit breezier because of that low developing. Seas will be running 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop out there. The water temperature at 88 degrees. Here's the forecast for the next 7 days. 50% chance for scattered showers at any time during the day. It drops to 30 with a few clouds around on Saturday, back up to 60% chance on Sunday, and then stays fairly high. I think we get back into that afternoon and evening variety of storms. Comes back on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and those have a tendency to cool us off in the evening. We haven't seen much of that as of late. Back to you.